Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Welcome to Big Fat Bunny's channel. Today is the 9th of January 2020. I'm going to do a series of easy writing Chinese characters. Today we're gonna write the word love. Chinese character when you first practice it, we normally use a square box. Okay, let's start. It's very easy. If I can do it, you can do it too. The difference is I write it many times in my life, but if you write 50 times, I'm sure you'll learn it by heart. First is this one. Three dots. This one slightly on the left. Love. Okay, we have finished. It's not too bad, isn't it? I'm sure you can do it too. The second step, we're gonna use a pencil to write it. Have you got it? Third step, we're gonna write it step by step. Use a different pen. I'm going to use a fountain pen with glitters. So, first one. Second one. That's how I learned Chinese when I was little. We have a Mandarin lesson. Teachers will write it like this. Then we go home. We will practice one character, minimum 20 times, 30 times, until we learn it by heart. So don't you think you can't do it? You can. You can. Maybe later you can write your own name in Chinese as well. So you don't have to ask me to write it anymore. You can do it. Although my handwriting is not the best, but it's kind of like art. The more you practice it, the more you like it, and the better you will be. Kind of like a painting, isn't it? It's a good way to relax your body and mind. Okay. Not that difficult. So hopefully you know how to write it now, and see you next time. Bye.